Hey everyone, Casey here. Today we're going to go over Lion'sShare. There's a little video right here that can explain it a little bit better. I'm going to do my best. Basically, it is a members helping pay other members when you join. Some of the profits go to basically all the profits go to members above you. You want to get people to join below you, and then there is spillover from other members' accounts. So if somebody doesn't have something set up, it can spill up to you. If they've got already the positions filled, it'll go to you. It's just really interesting how this thing works. Started a little bit later than I should have on this one. But it's better late than never. So, like on the comp plan Lion 1, this will be paid directly to me, this will be paid directly to me, and then this one gets passed to my first active sponsor above you. So I'll kind of explain that here in a little bit. But yeah, it's only 0.04 Ethereum to get started. They have 32 different ways to earn Ethereum, and it pays instantly to your wallet. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Alright, so I kind of went big on this one. I believe, how much did I have in here? I have 8.4 or 8.24 Ethereum. I purchased the compensation Lion 1 all the way through number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I can actually have overflow that fills these up and gets me paid back from above or below me. Then compensation Lion Plan 2, I went all the way to number 10. So like you can see, I've already got one person that's overflow. So it does, once I believe once one of them or both of them get filled, then it comes to me. I'll have to double check and verify. I'm just now starting to learn about these, so I'm not 100% on how these officially work. But that was an overflow right there. It kind of gives you a little explanation down here. But yeah, we're going to get this one going. There's 52,000 or 51,444 members. 1,500 new people joined today. So 864 Ethereum have been earned today, with 14,490 earned altogether. This one's pretty new. I believe it's only a week old, I believe. So it's still kind of early. We'll let this one, I got this one set up so after a while it'll just keep going and I don't have to do anything with it. That's kind of the plan with most of these. Get them up, get them running, and keep collecting money for as long as possible. So this is one of those. If y'all want to join me, I'll have my referral link in the description below. If you do, let me know. Hit me up on Discord. That link is below too. Let me know you join me. I like talking to y'all. If you have any questions, you could do the same. Once again, like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and if you're going to join, use the link below. Thanks.